Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators. Excuse me. In order to add or subtract a fraction, you must have a common denominator. Next week we're going to get into some fractions that do not have common denominators, and I'm going to teach you how to make them have common denominators before we start adding or subtracting them. But for today, we're talking about fractions that have common denominators. And of course, remember that the denominator is the number that's on the bottom. The number that is down, we call that the denominator. I want to show you an example. 3/8 plus 2/8 plus 2/8 equals 7/8. Each of these fractions has the same denominator, and so you can add the tops together, the numerators, to come up with 7/8. Whenever you're adding or subtracting fractions, you keep the denominator all the way across, even until you come up with your answer. So your answer will have the same denominator as your problem. Another way of writing this is 3/8 plus 2/8 plus 2/8 equals 7/8. So if you looked at it like this, you're basically saying 3 parts plus 2 parts plus 2 parts equal 7 parts. Those are the numerators in each of these fractions. If I wanted to give you another example, I could tell you to look at this pizza right here. This pizza is split up into sixths, and if I take 1/6 away, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixths of that pizza left. So 6/6 minus 1/6 is 5/6. If I take 2 more, if I take 2 out, then I have 6/6 minus 2/6 gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 6. 4 of the 6 are remaining, and 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 2/6. I can also look at these fraction cubes. I have 6/6 here, and if I take 1/6 and add it to 1/6, I have 2/6 out of the whole.